Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be my BoxyLuxe BoxyCharm unboxing. I got this a while ago. I just have not been able to film it due to my work schedule. However, it is in the box. I have not opened it yet. I have not watched any videos about it. This is only my second BoxyLuxe box, so I'm really excited. It's been sitting like right here in my beauty room, like on my table, staring at me for probably about 2 weeks. I really want to see what's in here. I'm super excited. If you are unfamiliar with BoxyCharm in general, it is a $21 a month subscription box, but quarterly you can upgrade and pay, I think it's $24 more, maybe $30, I don't know. I'll have it all linked down below. You pay kind of an up fee, and you get a much bigger box that has a lot more products in it. These boxes can be anywhere between $300 and $400 worth of products for the price of like $50, I think it's like $49 for this box. So you get quite a lot of products. My last one was around Christmas time. I really enjoyed everything I got in that box. I'm really excited to see what is in this box, and I will be doing a follow-up video after I play with all these products to let you know what I think about it. This is kind of just an unboxing, first impressions, let you know if I think it's worth it, you know, from my first impressions of it. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I have my scissors here. Cut it open. Okay, so this is a big mamma jamma. I mean, it's very, very heavy, so I'm excited to check it out. So let's see. Oh my, let's dig in. So it comes with a card that says something La Vida Rose, I don't know. Here we go. This is what it comes with. I'm not gonna, it has a product on the back, I'm not gonna cheat. So okay, the first thing I see is a cosmetics bag. This is cute. We're getting ready to travel. We're gonna go to New York City for my birthday with the kids. It'll be their first time ever going to New York City, and I want to take them to like all the historic sites, so I'm really excited. So this will be nice to just throw some makeup in and go. Oh, and I love the color. Oh, it's like I don't know, I always get these two mixed up and you guys want to murder me, between iridescent and holographic, but it's like gold iridescent holographic, I don't know. But here, can you guys see like the shift in it? It's got like a rainbow shift, but this is super cute. Like, look at that. And it looks like it would hold a good amount of stuff. Definitely like that. Oh, and it says a BoxyCharm. That's the inside, so that's cute. I like that. I've never had too many makeup bags. A little foam thing, throw that out. Okay. I'm already excited. Okay. Alright, so the first thing I picked up is Lily Lashes. I've never tried Lily Lashes. I've always wanted to try Lily Lashes. Everybody here on YouTube talks about Lily Lashes. And this is the limited edition faux mink lash. And does it have a name in Gaia? It's G-A-I-A. But here's what they look like. Speaking of lashes, let me talk about the ones I'm wearing right now. I'm obsessed with these lashes. I've probably worn them about, it has to be about 10 times already, and they still feel like brand new. What are they? I left the box here so I can show you guys. Allure actually sent them to me through my Actually store, and I've been obsessed. They're the Luxe Cashmere 1000+ fiber count lashes. I don't know what the name of mine is. I don't see a name, but it says up to 15 wears, but I feel like I could get way more than 5 more wears out of them. But this is what they look like, the packaging. They are sold at Target. I will link them down below, but like I said, Allure sent them to me, and they are my new favorite. I already went out to Target and bought like 3 more pairs because I love them so much. They're easy to pop on, but yeah, if you want a more affordable version of the Lily Lash, I would definitely go try these out. But I'm really excited to try these Lily Lashes out. They look pretty dramatic, so it's not something I'd wear on the everyday, but I'll show you them again. Here is what they look like. Really fluttery and sexy and cute, so I'm excited about that. Oh my god. If you guys have watched my channel from like the very beginning, you will know I love this product. I'm obsessed with it. It's the Confidence in a Cream from It Cosmetics. It's like my favorite all-time moisturizer. I do use Rodan & Fields now. I am a consultant with Rodan & Fields, but sometimes like I use their acne regimen, and it doesn't come with a moisturizer, so I will use this along with that when I use the Unblemished regimen when I'm having some breakouts. But oh my god, this is like $48 in and of itself. This moisturizer pays for this entire box. Like, that is so awesome. If you guys haven't used this, definitely recommend it. I mean, if you have dry skin, you will love this moisturizer. Just phenomenal product. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm so excited about this box. Already worth the money to me already. I already love it. Okay, oh my god, and I just grabbed a Cover FX palette. Everybody knows how much Cover FX costs. It is not a, you know, affordable brand. It's, you know, it's up there. It's a luxury brand, but let's see what it is. Oh, it's a face palette. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. So it looks like it comes with face powder, blush, bronzer, and highlight. That looks so pretty. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this. Wow. Oh, this is gonna be perfect. This is so cool. I'm gonna be playing with all this stuff tomorrow. Oh, the packaging does feel a little cheap for Cover FX. And I just find it a little weird. It didn't come in a box. It just came like this. So I don't know about that, but it doesn't look touched at all. Let me show you up close. It doesn't look touched. It looks really pretty. I'm really excited to play with this. This looks like a really nice palette, so I'm really excited about that. And I'm pretty sure this is probably in the $40 range too, because Cover FX is not cheap. Okay, digging in. Okay, I've heard of this brand before. I can't remember. Somebody I watch talks about this all the time. It's Iconic London. It looks like this. It looks like a brow product of some sort. It's called Eyebrow Cushion. Is it like a cushion foundation, like that concept? I gotta open this. Let's see. Oh, the packaging looks a little bougie. Oh, I'm about to break it. So it comes kind of like this. Okay, oh my god. I already got fingerprints all over it. That gives me anxiety. So here is what it looks like. And does it say a shade? I don't see a shade. It just says Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion, 6 grams. Medium. Oh, it does say it's medium. So it might work for me. I feel like I can do a slightly darker brow. Okay, so you open it up and it looks like this. So it is like a cushion type foundation. And let's pop it open. It's got a tab. It's like freaking Dante's Inferno, 7 layers of hell trying to get to this thing. Or is it 9 layers? Yeah, it's 9 levels. I almost don't want to pull it, but I'm gonna pull it. Okay. Oh, okay, so it's about that dark. That is probably too dark for me, but this might be really nice for my sister-in-law. She might be able to use these colors, but that's what it looks like. I just don't think that's gonna match with my blonde hair, but this looks like a really interesting product. It comes with a little tool that you can, I'm like all trying to do this. So here is the tool that it comes with. I'm gonna, okay, so I guess you just tap it in there. Oh yeah, that's, wow. I wish that wasn't my color. This looks really interesting. So here's the color it came with. I feel like it's definitely too dark for me. I don't know. I'll play with it. I'll play with it. If it doesn't work out, I'll give it to my sister or my sister-in-law, because they both are brunettes and have darker brows than me. So we'll see how that works. I will update you guys on that. Okay, next thing I'm grabbing. No freaking way. Oh my god, I've been wanting this. It's one of the new Becca lipsticks. I love Becca Cosmetics. You guys know this. It's one of my favorite brands, and they came out with like the actual bullet lipsticks. So I'm really excited to try it, and it's in mocha. So it's a brownie nude, which is my favorite kind of nude. So I'm excited if I can get it open without tearing it. Okay. Okay, so it's just a, you know, pretty standard gold packaging. And and it says Becca on it. I don't know why little details like that always make me happy, but they do. Guess you guys want to see the color. Oh my god, I love this color. So here is the color. That is really pretty. Definitely my kind of lipstick shade. Let's go ahead and swatch it. That is really pretty. I really like that. So that is the color. It looks very, it's not a matte, definitely more of a, what's the word I'm looking for? Creamy consistency, so I don't feel like it's going to dry out my lips. It'll actually really match this makeup that I have on now. Should I wipe my lipstick off? It's kind of like a liquid lip. I don't know if I can. I'm gonna do it. I'll be right back. I really like it. It is so comfortable on the lips. Like, I love the color. Yeah, this is also a win for me. Oh, it's magnetic. I just realized it's like, I love magnetic packaging too. So, oh my god, so far I love everything except for that eyebrow thingy. So let's keep digging in. Alright, and they sent over Moda brushes. I have tried Moda before. This is more of a drugstore, more affordable brand. I do have some Moda brushes I really like and have used, so I'm excited to check them out. I really like these kind of tapered brushes for like sweeping away, what do you want to call it? Baking and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and I'll clean up later. This is so awesome. I love this box. This is definitely worth it. Oh, they're not the softest brushes I've tried, but they are more affordable. This one is pretty soft. This blush or like powder brush. This one is a little scratchy, but I think it'd be nice just to like sweep away any excess powder you might have. So okay, I'll give them a try. I'll give them a try. Alright, and next I grabbed two Deborah Lippmann nail polishes. As you can tell from my nails, I'm really not a person that does their nails. I used to get my nails done all the time, like acrylics, but it really damaged my actual nails, and they're so painful to take them off that just getting them worn, I already get anxiety about having to take them off. They just always hurt. Whether I have them do it or I try to do it, it just never goes well. But maybe I'll attempt to paint my nails, or maybe I'll talk my daughter into painting my nails. They're cute colors, like really summery bronze colors. There's one, and here is the other one. I know Deborah Lippmann is a really nice brand. My little sister loves them, so maybe I'll pass this along to her. If you like nail polish, then I'm sure you'd love this. So let me see what else I got in there. Okay. This is from Wander Beauty, and this is a peel-off mask. Now, I've never tried Wander Beauty. I am probably never going to try this mask. I do not like peel-off masks. They are very painful. I do not enjoy them. They hurt and they irritate my skin pretty badly. And I don't know, the only peel-off mask I can use is the Glam Glow, like silver one. I forget what it's called. I don't know what it's called, but it's the one in the, like it's a silver and the purple bottle. So I'm definitely going to pass this along to somebody else that might enjoy a peel-off mask more, because they're just not for me. Okay, last product, and it is the Morphe Night Master 15N eyeshadow palette. So that's pretty cool. I really do enjoy Morphe. I have a lot of their brushes, and I have all the Jaclyn Hill palettes, and I really like them. This comes in nice sleek packaging, and let's look at the colors. Okay, they're very cool tone colors. I usually go more towards warm tones, but sometimes I really like cool tones, so I'll definitely play with it. But here is what it looks like. Definitely a nighttime smoky, sexy, sultry palette. So yeah, I think that'll be fun to play with. I wouldn't have purchased this on my own, but sometimes some things get sent to me that I wouldn't normally buy, and I fall in love with them. So I will definitely play with these. Oh, they feel uber buttery, like really buttery. Let me swatch a bunch. Okay, so here are some colors I swatched. They literally feel really creamy and buttery, so I don't think this palette is going to disappoint me. That one looks like a cool one to swatch. And this one, I like that color. So yeah, these are, I'm going to play with it tomorrow. I'm going to play with all this tomorrow. All this is going on my face tomorrow. Okay guys, I was reading the price of all the products on here and I added them all up, and this box that I paid $49.99 for, this is the total value of products that came in the box. $301.98. That is amazing for all these products, and I was right. This Cover FX palette, where did I put it? Imagine that, I'm losing stuff. I legit, okay, it's right here. Underwear stuff. Okay, I was right. This is $45 alone. And that moisturizer, like I said, was $48. Like, those two things in of itself, it's over $100 a product just for two. So all these products cost $301. That is amazing. These are good products. They're high quality products. The only like drugstore-y thing I think is the Moda brushes, but the rest is amazing. So I personally think this box is worth it. I haven't put everything on my face yet. I will do an update to the BoxyLuxe box here on my channel soon. I'm going to play with these products for about a week or so. I'll just use them every single day to get a good, you know, footing on them. But overall, first impressions, unboxing, I think it's worth it. $301 for $49. Like, that's an amazing savings, and you get all this stuff, and it's good stuff. I mean, Cover FX, Becca, Iconic, London, that I've heard, Morphe, like these are great products. So if you yourself would like to try out this box, I will link everything down below. And let me know if you do get BoxyCharm, if you get the BoxyLuxe box, what you got in your box. I'm gonna go like watch videos now of everybody's unboxing to see what they got. Yeah, and by the way, this is not sponsored. I do purchase this all on my own. I do not work with BoxyCharm. So anyway, I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you again real soon. Bye bye.